Did you know that ShineLong LED Highbay Light is the most innovative LED fixture offering a comprehensive solution and perfect lighting patterns for large open spaces like warehouses, exhibition halls, gyms, manufacturing plants, and many others? Mostly designed for 6 to 20 meter applications and with optimal wattage from 60 to 200 watts, these lights will save you up to 50% compared to other traditional sources. They will save the environment too, because they're free from UV rays, ultraviolet radiation, HG, and thermal radiation. You can get them in various sizes, including ultra-thin for easy installation and connection into series and with various dimming options. LED Highbay lights are perfectly safe and certified while offering better visibility and functionality with frosted or clear optics and aluminum alloy. They can be instantly turned on and off and are free from noise, UV flickering, light leak, and shadow. For all these reasons, Highbay lights have taken the LED market by storm. Visit us now to learn more and check their quality for yourself.